So welcome back to this channel, guys. I hope you guys are doing absolutely fine. You're watching DMS vlog today. Not today, I mean this vlog is about DMS vlog. So I was not able to vlog in this long days because of some unwanted reason. So I just managed to come out today with new vlog, and then I'm going to show you all this new vlog. So today's vlog will be about not only about today's program. It will be about the videos which I was which I managed to combine all those videos, which I managed to keep all those videos in a separate. So I combine all these videos, and then I will put this into a one vlog, and then I'm going to show you all today. So let us start with today's morning with vehicle. This or this. Yes. So yes, this was all the video I shot on those morning, and then soon after finished shooting all those videos, I didn't edit anything. I came Sida home. I mean direct I came home, and then I vlogged in my own village, and then I vlogged in my in our tea garden also. Not ours, means which are very nearby our own village. So I went there, and then I vlogged there also. So now you'll get to see the vlogs from my village and then from the tea garden. These are the total videos which I was shooting from village. So these are the videos which I was shooting in village, and the environment, the living style, the weather, the climate is totally different from the town, from the city. I've been staying in the city for 3 months, and then town for like 4 years. The city not 3 months, 3 years I've been staying. So I know the environment style, living style. So I know many things. So these are the village environment, these are the village living style. So it's totally different. It's the people from village are really hardworking. They always engage in their work. So these are the videos which I was shooting from village. So now I'll be going to tea garden, and then I'll be shooting those videos there. Now you'll see the clips from the tea garden. So right now, guys, I'm here in tea garden, which is located nearby Gunjung, and which is also located near our own village Dilaisa and Guliabra. So यही वो जगह है, बचपन में हम लोग बहुत मस्ती किया करता था. ये जो tea garden है बहुत beautiful place है. So since this place is really nearby our own school, this we used to have lots of naughtiness in this place. We used to bunk our class, and we used to come and have fun here. Because बचपन में थोड़ा naughtiness तो बनता है ना. So we come out to these activities, and then so after like 2 or 3 years back, I'm coming back to this place, and now I will be seeing how the place is changed, how the environment changed, how the people from this area change. So I'll be going down and then seeing many things. So let's go down and let's see how it happens now. ये लगाने के लिए कदर है क्या? नशे बनाएंगे ना अभी. हाँ वो नीचे में ना. अच्छा. So this is the tea leaves they'll be planting this. They cut all this into a different size, and then they'll be planting. So this is the head from this. Yeah, his name is Rohit. So he's the head of this tea garden, Gunjung Tea Garden. So कुछ बोलना चाहेंगे? नहीं कुछ बोल रहे इधर के क्या बोलते अभी शांति है हम लोग क्या में पहले हम लोग प्रॉब्लम रहा अभी शांति है सुख है ठीक हाँ सब कुछ ठीक है ना अभी कल देखने मिलेगा कल हम मिल जाएंगे So as you can see, this is the factory. As I've already mentioned, as I've already told you before, that there is one factory, one industry. So this is the factory, this is the industry. So I hope guys you all saw the B-roll. I think you all have enjoyed. क्या नाम है इसका? मिठारदी है और तुम्हारा? पोर्नाली है इसका क्या था? विसर्जित अच्छा इसका बाबा किधर है? तुम्हारा बाबा क्या करता है? What's your name? क्या नाम है आपका? तुम्हारा क्या नाम है? लक्ष्मीमणि क्या टाइटल क्या है? Komuka. And yours? What is your name? क्या नाम है? नाम कौन? I think he don't know what I'm talking about. This is the head. People, those who are working here, they used to put on this and then they used to work here because यहाँ इसको ऐसे उतारने से ज़्यादा धूप दे रहा है, so this prevents from sun. So जो लोग इधर काम कर रहे हैं तो वो लोग इसको अपनी सर पे लगा देता है और काम करता है. So it's very nice. I like it. So it protects from sun. It's very nice. Yeah. So I just reached a place where the tea plant has been making. So this is the house. All these are the tea plants which they are planting. So let's see. सब ऐसे ही लगाता है क्या? और सब खराब हो गया क्या? लगाने के लिए लेके अभी और सब लगाने के लिए रखा है. इसमें मतलब कमती है, छोटा तो नहीं लेके जाएगा, मतलब छोटा लाएंगे. अच्छा मैं मतलब घर कहाँ गया? सब उड़ गया क्या? ये सब ऐसे से उठे बनाया. आगे में तो बहुत ज्यादा था ना, इधर बहुत ज्यादा करके लगाया है ना. इधर भी था, इधर पूरा उधर साइड में था, नीचे साइड में इधर से इधर पूरा. अभी मतलब ऐसे शेडो देने के लिए, अभी छाया देने के लिए जरूरत नहीं क्या? नहीं अभी नहीं, वो ऊपर सिर्फ उधर जरूरी है. हाँ वो जो ऊपर में छोटा लगाया ना, हाँ उसको छाया देना. ओह अच्छा. So guys, this is the video all about. I hope you guys love watching this. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this. So finally the video and all are ended. So I thought of ending my vlog here. So yeah, if you like the videos, please do like it, do thumbs up the videos, and then subscribe it, and also click the bell icon so that whenever I upload the new videos, you will get the notification for it. So yeah, let's see you in my next vlog. So bye bye, take care.